I feel good. Na 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 na. I knew that I would now. I think that anyone who wants to feel beautiful should be able to feel beautiful at all times. This Hollywood mirror allows you to either put it on a wall or place it on a desk using the shelf that they include. It has a memory setting. It has 2 ports for charging, a USB-C and a USB. It has 3 different modes. Anyone who knows makeup or anyone who wears makeup knows that you need really good mirror, really good lighting to ensure that you walk out of the house looking the way that you think you look. You're gonna sometimes want to know, hey, what do I look like when I get to the office? There you go. If you want to know, okay, but what about at lunch when I go outside and take a walk in the park? What is my makeup going to look like then? You click the M one more time and you're in this sort of daylight, cool yet warm vibe. Now, what about if you're thinking about that date you have tonight and you want to know at the restaurant, how's my makeup going to look then? Press the M one more time and you've got sort of a moody, restaurant-y look. I put in the 2 included mollies and screws, and then I just popped it on. This little mirror that comes with it has suction cups on the back, so you can stick it onto your mirror. And it's just one of those magnifying mirrors that if you need to look really, really close up to like pluck a hair, you can use this mirror, and it comes on and off the mirror. It has suctions on the back. As if it wasn't awesome enough, it also has a charging port, 2 charging ports actually. It has a USB charging port and a USB-C. That way you can charge while you get ready. She's so lucky. She's a star. It's really flattering. It's not distorting me at all. Also, if you like this setting, for example, and you want to stay there, you can leave it here, turn it off, walk away, come back, turn it back on, and that same setting will be there. It has sort of a memory function, so that's pretty cool. Why do these tears come at night?